Hello, money. Hey, what's up, Jamie Squad? Today I'm back. Y'all, how did I almost just mess up my own intro? But hey, y'all. I have not been on here in so long, y'all. Oh my gosh, hey. But anyways, y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a FaceTime vlog / back to school maintenance vlog. So y'all, I already got my nails done. Hold on, let me show y'all. I already got my nails done. I did not vlog that. I got them done yesterday night. I didn't have a lot there. I just got back home actually because I stayed the night at my homegirl house who did my nails, and it's 8:54 in the morning. But today, y'all, I go get my lashes done and my hair done. You know, it's tea when you see the toothpick. Then yeah, I go get my lashes and my hair done. So yeah, I got these lashes right here, and I really don't even know they're a 14, 16. They're 14, 16, and 18, I think. Then they got spikes and they have some bottom lashes, which I wanted to try bottom lashes, so that's good. It came with it. And yeah, so I go get my lashes done later. Don't ask me why she didn't provide the lashes. I don't know. That's the lashes. To be honest, I'm just playing. Let's take my homegirl. But I go get my hair done at 2 o'clock. I wanted to get my lashes. I wanted to get my lashes done before that. So I told her to text me because she had a client right now. She's doing nails. So I told her to text me when she was done with her client. And yeah, I don't really know what I gotta do today. I was supposed to take her out to the hair store with me. I was supposed to take her out to the to get my nails done. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. I did not have my camera, nor like I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Like I cleaned out storage on my camera just not to even, we bought them. I got school tomorrow, y'all. So that's, I don't know why I'm doing my maintenance so the day before, like, cause what if nothing? Yeah. I look a mess though, so I'm gonna get off this camera talking, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm doing something. Cause I know right now I'm gonna lay down, cause it's 8 in the morning. So I'm gonna lay down until I'm finna go get my lashes done. When I get my lashes done, we can open back up. We can talk. But yeah, I know y'all miss me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell to get all notifications when I post a new YouTube video. Thank ya. A lot on my eyes. And that's all I gotta say right now. Y'all see that? I'm finna put a pimple thing on, and I'm finna lay down. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Oh, and I gotta do it back to school. I got a lot to do. I'm gonna just be back with y'all. So I am back a couple hours later. I'm finna go get my lashes done. I gotta clean off my camera. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna go get my lashes done. It is it is 11:10. Hello, little papa. But it is 11:10. I'm finna go get my lashes done. I'm finna show y'all the outfit. Hold on. Let me clean my room up a little bit. Anyway, this is the outfit. I have on this 2-piece set from Shein with my curd dyed hair. I would have worn my silver curd, but I'm finna let my homegirl wear it or whatever. But this set is so cute. Like, this is cute. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to go get my lashes done. I need to turn like the lights on, cause it's like be sitting on my desk or whatever. But I'm gonna wear this thing I got from TJ Maxx. It smells so good. Let me think about what I'm doing today. I think about my actions before I make them. I think I want to put on my Minnie Mouse Crocs. I'm putting my Minnie Mouse Crocs with my anklets. Let me put this on. Y'all, I hope my camera don't see. It's already falling. I'll try. Let me try to get this trap out of here. I got it open. So I got these 2 anklets. It's this right here, and I got this right here. Hopefully I can put it on, cause y'all, when I say putting on jewelry when you got your nails done, it's so hard for me because it be like the little clamp thing don't wanna operate or anything. But hold on, cause we might get it on the first try. Yeah, we might be here all day. I will not lie. everything. I got it. I had something playing on Netflix, so my bad if it's kind of loud in the background. I got it on. Okay, that didn't take that long. So now this is what it looks like with the anklets. My feet, they're done, but they like a nude color, so y'all can't tell it's done. Do not mind my floor, y'all. It's dirty. I gotta clean. I gotta do a deep clean before I go back to school tomorrow. And I keep forgetting there's no light over here, so hold on. Let's turn my mirror on, cause I be forgetting there's no light over there. Then the light not making it no better. Then my mirror not making it no better. I'm getting overstimulated, but I'm finna get this Vaseline. Put some on my lips. Put my Crocs on. Okay, this the whole outfit for real for y'all. I know I done said this the outfit like 10 different times, but this the whole outfit for real. We got my Crocs on. This little two-piece set with this. This is cute. My hair, not so cute. But just give me a few hours. Give me a few hours. But let me go to my mama. I'm finna go. Let me turn this stuff on. Okay, hey y'all, sorry I'm at my nail tech house / the girl who finna do my lashes. And y'all, I'm just ready to get my hair done for real.
Money and it's not in my bank account.
Yeah, big mama got her lashes done.
Bro, I'm gonna cry.
Y'all see it?
And that was $50 I just transferred.
So I had got bottoms. Hold on.
Oh, it's in there, it's in there, it's in there.
So I had got bottoms and top. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm just so ready to get my yeah, this is my first time having bottom and top lashes. I don't wear lashes like, if y'all know, y'all know. I don't wear lashes like, it's very rare. It gotta be a rare occasion for me to like put on lashes or anything, cause I don't just like go be like I want to wear lashes.
I need to know how much.
But yes, they are cute. I'm gonna put her at on the screen. Thank you. Book, lashes, nails, feet, anything, wax, all that. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get back home, cause that's where I'm finna go. Cause I gotta go get my wig, and then my hair appointment is like in. My hair appointment is in 2 more hours. So I'm finna go get my wig and stuff. Now I'm gonna go to the hair store and all that. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in just a second. Hey y'all, so hold on. Hey y'all, so I'm at my hair appointment.
I'm being up at
early. He doing somebody here right now.
I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, I'm gonna fit right here in the wig. Yeah, let me show y'all the wig. So my mama told me to brush it out and it got a hole in it now. So I gotta get a new wig. So I'm gonna get with y'all.
Blowing these sunny. Girl, I'm out here. Girl, I'm out here. Another dryer. That's my baby. Better get you wet now. Better make you sweat now. Better get you wet now. That's my baby. Better get you wet now. That's my baby. Oh, I killed this one.
Right on my eyes, thank you. Thank you. Right here. It's so cute. Let me make a TikTok real quick. Hey y'all, so I am finally home, y'all. It is like late at night, but y'all, he iced my hair. It's so cute. I'm finna tie it up and take a shower and go to sleep. Yeah, it's so cute. I'm finna get my mama to tie it up and stuff. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I was gonna do like a little clothing haul for y'all and stuff and what's in my bag. But I don't have no school supplies, so we can't do that. And then the clothing haul, I'm well, I was gonna show y'all my back to school outfit, but y'all just see tomorrow because I'm making a video tomorrow. So I hope y'all like this little FaceTime vlog. I know it was a short video. It was meant to be short because I mean we on FaceTime, but I don't stay on FaceTime for that long. But I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell to get all post notifications, and bye.
Dreaming of traveling places we never seen.